measurement. So in geometry, an angle measure can be defined as the measure of the angle formed by the two raised or arms at a common vertex. Angle are measured in degree. So this is the sign of degree. This is the sign of degree. Using a protractor, the protractor was invented by Joseph Hodart in 1801. It was more complex from form of protractor. So it was invented by Joseph Hodart in 1801. This is the type of angles. We have acute angle. So acute angle is less than 90 degree. The right angle is exact 90 degree. An obtuse angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So a straight line exact 180 degree. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. Full rotation exact 360 degree. So how to draw an angle? Angles less than 180 degree can be drawn using the protractor by the following the step below. Draw a straight line of any measurement. The straight line will act as the arm of the angle. Mark a dot of any position on the line. The dot will represent the vertex of an angle. So next is place the metal of the protractor at the vertex dot and ensure the mark on the line and the protractor flushes center. Find the given angle on the protractor, scale and mark a small dot at the protractor's edge. So now remove the protractor and then use a ruler to join the dot with the vertex marks. Level the angle with capital letters. So we have an example. Example, to measure an angle A is equal to 30 degree between the two lines, proceed as follows. So line up one line along the 0 degree, mark the protractor and follow the second line to read the angle A is equal to 30 degree. So we have example number 2. Line up one line along the 0 degree, mark a protractor and follow the second line and read the angle. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. So we have the arc length. Let's define the arc length first. The arc length is defined as the interspace between the 2 points along a section of a curve. An arc of a circle is any part of circumference. The angle subtended by the arc of any point is the angle formed between the two line segment joining that point to the end point of the arc. For example, in the circle shown below, OP is the arc of the circle with the center Q. The arc length of this arc OP is the given as L. So we have the arc length formula. Arc length formula. The length of an arc can be calculated using different formulas based on the unit of the central angle of the arc. The measure of a central angle can be given in degrees and region, and accordingly we calculated the arc length of the circle. For a circle, the arc length formula is 0 times the radius of the circle. So this is the formula for arc length. The formula to measure the length of the arc is arc length if So the formula measure the length of arc is the arc length formula if theta is the degree. Is equal to pi r all over by the theta of 360 degree. Arc length formula, if theta is the radian, then S is the theta times r. So arc length formula. Arc length is 2 pi r over theta all over by 360. So we have the denotation and the arc length formula. S is the central length, r is the radius of the circle, theta is the central angle of the arc. Example questions using the formula for the arc length question. So calculate the length of an arc if the radius of an arc is 8 centimeter and the central arc is 40 degree. So we have the solution. Our radius is r is equal to 8 centimeter. The central arc theta is 40 degree. Arc length is 2 pi r times theta all over by 360 degrees. So we have S is equal to 2 times pi times 8 times 40 degree all over 360 degrees. So we have the S is equal to 5.582 centimeter.